Alright, I found an issue with YouTube's search. I was trying to search for this options to replace 4 AA batteries with 4S lithiums or something, kind of 4S. Do this search, and it only comes up with things I've already seen that somehow relate to that search. But if I take this exact same phrase, go to YouTube on an incognito window, or I could have just signed out, but this is easier for me. Works fine. I get videos that get returned from that exact same search phrase. So something, and this is specific to when I'm signed in. It's not anything to do with the incognito window. I did test that before I made this video, but I'm just putting this out there. Does anybody have any idea why this is occurring? Also, oddly enough, if I just take away some of these words, it works. But it's something specific about that phrase that causes the problem. So it's not the 4S. It's not the word battery. Not the word with. BMS. So when I take away BMS, for whatever reason, it works properly. But then I put BMS back in, and now it's not working again. It's working with just the word BMS. So it's some combination of this BMS to replace. Whenever reason, when I have that phrase in front of the thing, it's now only go into these items. I can't figure it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. You're watching CSD Solutions.